governments in order to make sure that we are not the reason for the climate change. And I think that's simplistically put in my head. And there are many people do it in many different ways. Aviation, aerospace is one of the most polluting sectors, in terms of climate change point of view. If you asked me this question about 3 years back, I'll have one answer for you. But then things have changed. And now we say, okay, this is the best way to do it. And then, but it's not like the whole thing has changed. It's just when you're going like this, you just go like this or like this. But you eventually, the goal is there, right? But then it will be moving because all these battery technologies in aviation, all these green technologies, like you rightly pointed out. I mean, you can make fossil fuel plants that are actually creating this hydrogen molecules, and then all of a sudden you call the hydrogen molecules as green, but then what created the hydrogen molecules is not green anymore. Yeah. So I think it's all about, totally green is going to take some time to evolve. The understanding, appreciation is already there. I think people are moving the direction of execution. I think once execution comes, there'll be some innovations that will happen along the way, and I think eventually, regardless of what happens, regardless of where we reach, the environment will be in a much better place than where we are today, because the consciousness with people is there, consciousness with companies is there, governments all agree on it, and I think that's what it takes, and academia is participating there. So this forces coming together will only make our world develop.